Let's talk about a couple of the ways that you can research your audience if you're trying to do some research for maybe a business or a new product or service that you're offering, and you're just not quite sure how to figure out who those people are. So if you were at the Spokane AMA, then you got part of this answer, and if you weren't, then Meredith did a great job of already making kind of overarching video on it, but I wanted to add a couple of points to it. So the one that I would add is, I know Meredith had spoken a little bit to using Facebook and their advertising options to be able to find some industry kind of insights using their audience insights feature that they have built right into the Facebook ads interface. If that's a little bit too cumbersome for you, another thing that you can do is use Facebook's graph search, which is actually what they call the little search just on the upper part of your Facebook page. So any normal user can access it, and you can just type in long-term keyword phrases. So if you wanted to type in maybe local businesses who sell flowers, or local flower shops, Spokane, or different keyword phrases that you could find, what you can do is you can find competitors, and then you can start looking into who their audience that they're targeting is, who their followers are, who their fans are, what those kind of people are like. And that gets me to my next point, which is just researching the competition. You can do this in several ways. You can do this by either going and looking on their social media accounts, seeing the kinds of people who are following them, looking on their Twitter accounts, seeing what they're posting about, the kind of interaction they're getting, who those people are that are interacting with them. You could even get somebody to go ahead and call your competitors for you and see what kind of services they offer, ask some of those questions that a person who would be interested in those services might be asking, and then get the feedback and see how you could use it for your business potentially and see who their customers are. You could even ask your competitors, like, I'm interested in this. Would I be the kind of person that you would want to work with? And they'll usually tell you, because a lot of the times they don't necessarily know that that's why you're calling. So those are a couple other points of how you can research your audience, either by using the internet or by just kind of researching who your competitors are and who their audience is and how they're touching base with their audience and connecting with them. And that'll give you a lot of inside information, so you will be able to then replicate that or improve upon it to use it for your own projects.